skill isn't rated for some reason. This is my best level yet, and I'm gonna say this is part 1 because I'm not gonna do the entire level in this video. But so I'm just gonna be covering this mountain part and maybe the drop. No, I'll do the drop at part 2. So anyway, this is actually inspired by Blee and Woolsey and Blee. I put them in the credits. It's inspired by them because they made a level swap video, and Blee, which is the same guy that made Change of Scene, you probably already knew that, did like some mountain thing for a background, and I'm like, wow, that's super cool, I want to do that. So I just started a test, and then the test kind of turned into this. But yeah, I was doing a test, and you know, it looked good. So what I did was I made these mountains, put them on a group, and then made it so it locks onto the player X, and then it also moves across the screen slowly. Same thing with the other layer. I just copy pasted it, and then I just copy pasted it, the first layer, and then flipped it around, and then put it on a different group, and then made it go slower. It's farther away. And then same thing for the background, for the back ones all the way in the back. I can't talk right now. I just copy paste them, made them bigger, put it on a different group, and then made them go slower. And also the clouds, you know. And I did painfully make all of these layers a different color. As you can see, the ones closer to you are darker, and the ones in the back are lighter. And the moon looks like a cookie. I don't know how to fix that. We got some particles in the background, and we have this river that I made it look like running water by using this smoke object, just really stretched out. And then we just got spikes that you could jump over. We have an invisible platform that locks onto the player X, and then you just move up and down. And we got fading spikes, epilepsy warning for the drop. We have the spikes coming up and down, like they go up. Got a little nicer. We got a gradient. Look at how the level would look without a gradient. See that? It's a huge change. It's actually super weird. I want to try it without it. Oh my gosh. Dang. This looks way different. Yeah, let's put it like this now. But that's pretty much the first part of the first part. And then we have the change in music, so I made it like a pulse red, pulse the gradient red. Yeah. And then go into a ball portal, and then these structures are actually super object conservative because they're only like a few objects. Each of them is like 10 objects. And then saws, put some effects around the orb. And then made some saws that move slowly, and made it so whenever you touch the surface, there's a touch trigger that you can't see it right now because I put it on a lower layer, but there it is. There's a touch trigger on every surface that you touch, and it goes down a little just to add some effect. We got orb effects, you know, pulse the gradient to the beat of the music. It's nice. And then we go back into cube. Got this spike design. The spike can't even kill you, but I put it there anyway. We go down. You just teleport back up. You can't see the teleporting though, because I did a static camera thing. And then you jump off the ledge, go in this invisible platform, then you teleport back up. This teleport portal is invisible in actual gameplay, but it stays not invisible in the editor. And then these are for the drop to get the colors set up. We got some 9 circle stuff going on right now. It's not 9 circles though. And then I faded to white. That's what this 5 is right here. It's the giant white square. There it is, the giant white square that makes the white flashes. Like, yeah, every time you see a white flash in this level, it is because of that, and it's also for the internet. So I'll put a start position at this part so you could see it's the white. It also shows the Kaleidoscope. Then you go to the drop. So yeah, it's pretty cool. These are just to like pulse in and out the name, like make it look you know, the drop exists. So, and then I just made this like pause calm before the storm out of these fading blocks. So I'll just play the level, well, not the whole level, but the beginning part of the level. And you're gonna have to wait for that, for the drop, for part 2. The full video's up on my channel, so you can just watch the video of the level. I will warn you, if you are gonna do that, the bitrate for the drop absolutely sucks, because I don't know why. I record in 1080, but for YouTube, like, the more colors are on the screen, as you can see, there's a lot of colors here. The bitrate gets worse, so yeah, I don't even know, but just know that if you watch the video of the level, this part looks not good. But yeah, it is here. It is on my account. My account is Kaleidoscope. This is how it's spelled, so you can check it out. Just got 160 demons too. So anyway, that's part 1 of explaining how I made Kaleidoscope. Part 2 is gonna go on the drop, and I'll see you guys in the next one.